Hi friends, welcome to my channel. I am Sidhu. You're watching Sidhu MK channel, YouTube channel, and today I just want to tell you something regarding about a new topic. That means new topic is I usually post a video regarding about the specification of the vehicles and other details about the vehicle. Now today I am going to show you describe you about how to operate the vehicles. Today you are always familiar with this vehicle, which vehicle I am going to present you and how to operate this vehicle. This is the vehicle which I am going to show you and describe you about and teach you how to operate this vehicle. This is what we call the JCB. Usually we can see all kind of construction field and agriculture field also. We are using these kind of machines. Machines are occupying the man's works, and nowadays the machines are used for all kind of works much more easier. And I just describe you regarding about this vehicle. This vehicle is actually a 2002 model JCB, and this is pretty old, and still it is working on this field for the loading purpose and all kind of digging and cleaning purpose also. This vehicle is using, and there is some windows are not available there, but vehicle is running condition only. So here I will explain you all those regarding about the systems which is available in this vehicle. Behind that, this one what we call this is a back bucket, back loader. The total thing we call it as back loader. Then this one is stick. Then this one is boom. And in front we call it as front loader. The total set we call it as front loader. This is front bucket. Then others are other equipments regarding about this. So this is the interior of this vehicle. In the dashboard we can see the this is not a speedometer, it is RPM meter, and here it is the heat level, that then there is a fuel, nothing more complicated displays, and there is no such a kind of things. This is representing the hours, how much hours the vehicle is running. It is representing, and here is another displays that meter. This is water heat level, and here it is some other meter also available. And this vehicle is a totally a clutch free vehicle. There is no clutch in this vehicle. This is an accelerator. This is right side brake, left side brake. This is dummy. If we can join the off cable on this pedal for stopping. If this vehicle is a diesel old type vehicle, so we cannot off this vehicle by offing the switch by here. Only pulling the cable only gets off. And there is a lever. It is a normal, this is actually a normal gear lever. As usual in cars we can see such a kind of things. And this is another lever. This lever is used for front bucket, front loader, for lift up. If it is up, the loader get up. Then if it is down, loader get down. Then this is for opening, this is for closing bucket. That's it. These are the two levers we use in the forward section. Then we have to turn back. So here there is a lever. If you pull it, then turn the seat. Then there is 4 levers. This is this lever is used for boom and swing. If you want to swing left, we have to do like this. Then right, do like this, cross way. Then if you want to down the boom, like cross like that, down, then up, just like that. Cross that, the 4 points on this box, like that. If you want to left to swing, like this, right swing, like this, up the boom, like this, down the boom, like this. And here the second part of this, second lever is just the same x section, x way. For open the stick, we have to do like that, and close the stick, do like this. Then open the bucket like this, close the bucket like this. Then these are the two stabilizer which we can see down here, just like a legs. If you want to put push that down, like that, push that down, then pull it up like this. The same it is, down, then up. The both legs between the behind this vehicle. It's for stabilizing the vehicle, not to fall or jerk while we are doing the work. So let's start to operate this vehicle. So just here we are going to start this vehicle. That's it, normal it is. Then first of all we have to do just lift up the lever, then close the lever. Okay, then behind that we have to lift up the boom, then close the bucket. Then lift up the stabilizer. Then first apply the brake. Then this is the forward backward switch, gear. To put it front forward, then push the accelerator, the vehicle gets moved. Like that only we have to start the vehicle. This is the accelerator. Before we have to work, we have to put this accelerator. It's automatic, hand slide. So that's all I have to show right now, and this is how we have to operate this vehicle, and should never ever try this kind of things without any experience or experienced guy. So without having a proper knowledge about this vehicle or a proper knowledge person along with you. So a new viewer, please subscribe, share and like to this video, and you get click the bell icon, and you get more videos from me. And if you are not see my previous video, just go and check it out, all those videos, and see all those things. And thank you. Here I am wind upping. Thank you. Bye.